Hey everyone, welcome back to Sarah's Bites. Today we're going to be making these amazing vegan tacos, so strap in because I promise you guys are going to love this recipe. Start by cutting all the kernels off of one corn on the cob, and then you're going to set that aside and go ahead and heat up your skillet with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium heat. And then we're gonna go ahead and start to add our veggies. So this goes super quick, so I do recommend you guys prep all the vegetables that you do want to use in these tacos ahead of time. And of course, you can substitute any of these veggies for anything else that you like. Saute 1 small onion for a couple of minutes, and then you're gonna add in all those corn kernels, 1 chopped up bell pepper. I ended up using a yellow one here. And then you need to add 2 cups of cauliflower bits. Now you can just buy them already in a bag in your local grocery store in the vegetable aisle, or you can just use a food processor to get them that size yourself. And then you're gonna also add in 8 ounces of small chopped up mushrooms. So this whole mixture after it cooks, it's kind of gonna give you that meaty texture, especially with those mushrooms in there. Keep your heat on about medium to medium low, and this is gonna take a good 15 to 20 minutes for all of these vegetables to soften up, so just make sure you're stirring occasionally. Now I just took the quick and easy route here. I bought one of those taco seasoning bags that is the spicy flavor, and I added that in, squeezed 1 full lime, go ahead and crack a little bit of black pepper in there, and I don't recommend you guys add any more salt because that bag of seasoning is pretty salty as it is, in my opinion, unless you get the low sodium kind. And you're just gonna let this cook another 5 to 7 minutes while you warm up your tortillas, however way you like to do those. And all that's really left to do is just assemble these. Have some pico on the side. I think it's great with that. You can even buy some vegan cheddar cheese. I think they're an amazing substitution for when you don't want to eat any animal products or if you're just completely vegan in general. I do think you guys are gonna love this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more vegan recipes. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a big thumbs up below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.